Hey guys, this is Lightning Bolt 99999 and I just bought this. This is a very freaking loud air horn. They sell these at Meijer for $7, believe it or not. So I'm at a somewhat empty location, except for all the cars that are driving by. And there's a couple houses around here, but I'm going to test this thing out for the first time ever and see how loud it is, just for you guys. So I'm gonna set this camera on my bike and we'll see how loud this is. Now this is at night, so when I do this, I gotta get the hell out of here. Here it is, guys. This is gonna be loud. Louder than my voice. That's how loud that is. What? 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 I'm just kidding. I can still hear. But that's loud as hell. You want to see it again? Well, okay. We'll do it again. Now, let's get the hell out of here.